And I didn't know about Rapaholic Homecoming.
Yeah, me anga me artist.
We are artists. Now doing the same.
Country's black.
Hey, we didn't know shit. Me and Jenna Ben now. You Ben now.
Me a rapper.
Yeah, rapper.
Yeah, buy a go. They support here go.
Tell you Ben now say now what is Sarkodie be perform me amount.
Oh, Meti so be perform me. And then you be brain am pro. Ever say boga. Ana your friend is one Bena boy.
Bena boy.
I want Bena boy track. Yeah.
Okay. They say well me to Sarkodie now also your artist. You know cause man freestyle. Freestyle Ben now the be shiano.
Your friend is CANCUS. Unti Medina said there. Lend me your ears. I'm dynamic, versatile, leader in set. My main bonnet of a metre, many the best. MC out here me rap, I will bless. Reggie me punching and such on snow dress. Little boy I'm dream ni say me sign text. Eche matafuka na media paper me tears. I call myself black cause I love my color. God bless our homeland Ghana. Big house to all the street boys in Ghana.
So say yeah. Binya beba. Also bra chibem. Now see your friend saying Kofi guy. Me am timu say we guy. Enti den e do bar Rapaholic Homecoming. When Sarkodie year show I checked 12 years ago when Walameta. And I say, oh, yeah, Barbara sports stage joke. And I mean, person who need how style Ben when you are for event or the other Kumasi.
The Bar Kumasi, Miss Artist, I'm and I'm so in your Konya Bede, I better for me. And you need Jam wants to see.
And apart from Sarkodie, artist Ben, our person who say or better for me amount.
And I'm senior my Kaka and
Shatawali. Into also Shatawali favorite new Ben when he jump.
Like Jesus.
Eh?
Like Jesus. But
unim to.
Then go talk say you get it crazy you market when you make it too.
Okay, nice one. Say na mabuabu am hu ya chale Rapaholic mu pese mo say so ide eni e be share inside na ato aso ho honom. You nti chale mo have fun.